सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और आज सब लोगों के साथ बात करेंगे मार्केट हाइलाइट्स। सेंसेक्स प्लमेट्स 780 BTS, निफ्टी बिलो 25,900, LNT टेक एम स्लिप 3%. Sensex to the Nifty 50 stock market live updates. Indian equity benchmark closed lower for the fourth straight session on Thursday, with the BSE Sensex losing more than 1,581 points in four sessions and the Nifty 50 retreating 1.7% over the same period. Investors grappled with a cocktail of geopolitical tensions looming, US tariff and the uneven corporate earning, which overshadows pocket of optimism. Sensex to the Nifty 50 stock market live updates. On the day, the BSE Sensex fell 780.18 points or 0.92% to close at 84,180.96, while the NSE Nifty 50 declined 263.90 points or 1% to in the session at the 25,876.85. The market capitalization of all listed companies on the BSE fell by the rest 9.90 lakhs crore in 4 days to rest 472 lakhs crore. Why the Indian equity market fell today? Trump's tariff and the 5 session behind the market sell-off. 1. Trump's Russia's tariff bill raised hit on India. Heavyweight stock drugs benchmark, Venezuela, political upheaval, global market substitute, growth sales downs looms in H2F financial year 26. Technical signal non-directional trading. Global market updates. The stock Europe 600 fell 0.2% as of 9:30 a.m. London time. S&P 500 feature fell 0.2%. Nasdaq 100 feature fell 0.3%. Feature on the Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 0.2%. The MSCI Asia Pacific Index fell 0.8%. The MSCI Emerging Market Index fell 0.7%. US stock opened lower defense firm of the Trump's Kolda budget boost. Bajaj Group completed 23% stake acquisition in it is the insurance unit from Alliance. India's Bajaj Group has acquired a 23% stake in the insurance subsidiary from Alliance SC for 113.90 billion rupees. Thank you.